guys, it's the KrazyK, and today we're gonna be doing a Lego design battle, 4th of July edition, because today's 4th of July. Wink, wink. Okay, guys. So
let's get started.
Okay, so the first thing that we're gonna try and make, and by the way, it's just these mini Legos.
Yeah.
And so the first thing we're gonna make is just a flag. It's not based on its color. It's based on the shape and size of it and stuff. So that's how we're gonna be basing the points and stuff. Whoever has the best one. Okay, so see you when our stuff is built.
Okay, guys. So this is my creation, my flag. So I put a bunch of colors on the flag. This is a flag. This is the pole. This is the green stuff is the grass, and this is the zombie man is a person. And I put a bunch of colors on my flag, and yep, I think I deserve this one.
Okay, so here's my flag. So you have a really long flagpole, and then it leads up to a blank flag, and then it's very smooth on the top, and then you have just this little.
But you have no colors.
Yeah, I know. And then you get to the colors. Okay. So you have a little person just.
But you should have colors on the
relaxing by the pond, and the flag is coming out of the pond, and then you have grass right here.
Flags.
2 dirt blocks. I was gonna put a rose, but they wouldn't let me.
Flags are supposed to have color, to resemble the flag. What kind of flag is
yeah.
that?
But
mine, I don't know what mine is.
I didn't have any colors to do that. Because Matthew took them all.
No, I didn't.
Because you let him.
I just take the
Alright,
green.
so mine has a little concrete platform at the bottom, and then it has a pole, metal pole, or Lego pole coming up.
Kyler, you have the same exact colors that I use. These are the ones that I use, and Kyler said that he doesn't have any colors.
And then, so I have a brown stripe, white or gray stripe, and then brown stripe again, and gray stripe again, and then fire up here on the top to stand out.
Okay, so guys, comment down below.
Who do you think won?
Yeah, this round. This is round 1 out of 3 rounds. Comment down below.
And at the beginning of the video, remember, I said we're only basing it on the shape, not color.
Yeah,
we don't have much colors.
Yes, we do.
Still, just
Then
try.
how did it find?
Yeah, we should.
At least
Okay,
try.
so
There's a bunch of colors
I
right there.
honestly think mine would win.
I think mine.
I had the most
so-
colors.
so
I had the most
We're
colors.
gonna break these apart, and then we're gonna do
Rebuild.
the next one, and the next one is gonna be
Star.
a star.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
It's gonna be pretty hard, but
Okay, we'll see you guys when we're done building.
okay, guys. So these are our creations. Matthew, talk about yours.
Alright, so this is one of the foot of the star. This is the body part.
I am Batman.
Interruption.
This is another.
I think you heard me. I am Batman.
This is another leg. This is the arm. This is the one another arm. This is the face. So that's my star.
Okay, this is my star. You can't really see it because these 2 beautiful flowers are on the way. Okay.
You should have put it on the
So
side.
you have this leg, this arm, and the top of it, and it's all flat. And then on the other side, you have a zombie.
Hello, Bubblegum.
Hello. Actually, he's supposed to be a human, but we don't need to make him human.
I'll be right back.
And then, so we have 2 more flowers right here, and then and the grass everywhere. Okay, now Campbell's. Kind of move creation. So, I thought I was. Right. So, as you can tell,
I'm replacing Kimball's face.
you gotta go to the left a little more. I'll train you after. Okay. It's breaking. Right, so I am Batman. I am Batman, and I can fly. Whee!
Matthew, stop.
Whee! Matthew interrupting his creation. I'm Batman. So yeah, it's pretty much mine, and I can fly. Okay, guys. See you for the next creation. The next one is we're gonna be making a firework.
Don't
So
forget.
see you for the next.
No, don't
Don't
forget.
forget I'm awesome.
Don't forget to comment down below who won the second round
Yeah.
of the star.
And also, don't forget, I'm Batman. Okay.
No
Okay,
worries.
guys. See you for the
Hey guys, we're making fireworks, so Campbell's gonna show you his first.
I am?
Yes.
Oh.
Sure.
So, this is all the fire
That
right
looks like
here
your star.
at the, I know, but,
And
and this is all the fire at the bottom, and this is all the stuff
Why is the
coming
fire
out.
in the bottom? It should be at the top.
Because it's flying up. It hasn't exploded yet. What kind of?
Okay. Like how you go
Okay,
first?
so
It like
mine-
just started to explode, I guess.
I based
Green or
mine
something.
like when it's still going up in the air, like on Minecraft kind of.
Not
And-
really.
I think Tyler's is the best.
And then
No,
so
mine
it's going up in there, and once it gets all the way fully up in there, it will explode and turn out like that. But
See,
right now
mine's
it's just
better.
going up in there, and so yep, that's my creation.
Hi
Has the fire
guys,
coming up
we'll
right
get back to you with
Nobody
mine
would be
because
that
mine
close to that.
spells something. Hi guys, this is mine. So this is the F, this is the I, this is the R, this is the very bad E, this is the W, this is the O, this is another R, and this is the K. That spells firework. And I didn't know how to do an S, so
He didn't have enough anyways.
yeah. So bye. Get back to you on the finals.
Back
on
to
the
you,
results. We'll get back to you on the results. After reviewing the footage, we have come to some circus games.
Yeah, Matthew lost.
Matthew lost.
Tyler got second. I got
and
first.
Campbell
Wait,
got
what?
first.
I got second.
Yeah.
I
Yes.
think we tied. We tied.
No, your best was the fireworks, but Campbell's best was kind of like all of them.
You know what they say? The footage never lies.
The footage never was. And never do the referees. So,
Alright,
go
so
forward. Okay.
so the ultimate challenge is Matthew has to jump and walk on these.
I have to take off my brand new Puma shoes.
And your socks.
No!
Yeah.
I thought I was going to get out of it.
Matthew has yours.
That's it. Take off both of them.
This is gonna be
Yeah.
Get these things on my face.
Let's watch Matthew suffer.
You know what to say. Good luck.
I do.
Okay, here goes the
I'm too
big
tall for everybody.
one.
My knees will talk for themselves. Ready?
No,
3,
this is gonna be bad.
2, 1.
Jump. Matthew, jump.
You have to jump.
You have to jump.
Yeah.
You have to jump.
Jump into it?
Yeah, jump into it.
Oh, it's stuck.
You got stuck.
It already hurt that.
Just imagine.
Do
I really have to
yes, you have to
jump
jump
into
into it.
That was awesome.
What are the odds of that?
You can see the pieces of the Legos in my feet.
Yeah, just think
Oh,
of
it
it.
looks like he got his own free tattoo salon.
Just think of on speaker.
Ooh, did that hurt your bruise?
Not really. It's fine. Okay, guys. So
That's the video. Matthew
see you next time. Bye.
I'm Batman.
Toodles.
I thought it was.